Hi, welcome to Eats Chowtime. First, I just want to flex my first ever wok that I bought and the biggest cookware that I have in my kitchen. That's all. Okay, let's go back to the video. So, we have been eating a lot of meat lately and I have decided to cook vegetable stir-fry noodles. It's not really vegetarian because of the oyster sauce and chicken stock. And here are all the ingredients that I use. Now we're gonna go ahead and chop and slice some of the ingredients. The most time-consuming part of this dish is when preparing the ingredients, but once you get past that part, cooking time will only take about 7 minutes. Now let's go ahead and prepare our wok. Set the heat to medium-high, add about 6 tablespoons of canola oil. And I don't know what I was doing here, but I sure once saw this technique before. Now let's add and saute first the sliced onion, followed by minced garlic, red bell pepper, French green beans, and spinach. I just so happen to have these vegetables, but you can always substitute your leafy vegetables with let's say malunggay or kangkong or baggy beans, and you may also add carrots if you want to. Just keep on stirring for about a minute or two and then add about 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. You may use regular soy sauce if you don't have the dark one. Now we're gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cup of water, but since I do have chicken stock available, I use this one instead. If you are going to use water, just add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And if you are going to use chicken stock, no need to add salt and pepper. Now let's go ahead and add the noodles. I used a whole wheat pancit canton, but regular pancit canton will do. Now, carefully scoop the sauce over to the noodles until the noodles softens. Do not overmix because we won't be ending up with stir-fry noodles. And once you get this consistency, take the noodles out of the pan and then serve. So I hope you like it. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!